Hello guys, it's me Tess, and I'm taking my dog Arya for her walk. This is her second walk so far. She loves walks, so I just want to show you what her walking routine is like. So yeah, I'll try to get her into frame. However, it's a little hard when you're holding the camera, also walking the dog and holding treats at the same time, because we're getting her to learn to be a little more obedient on leash. So yes. Arya, come. Arya. Arya. Come. Come on. That's a good girl. Yes, it is. Arya, this way. Come on. So I have her treats here. She's sitting, so we will oblige and give her a treat. So I'm gonna say a review on these treats. They're a little hard for her to chew, so it takes her a while. So we basically have to stand here a while to wait for her to chew them. But we're gonna get some softer treats for her. I believe we bought these treats on Chewy. They said, I don't know, just a little miscommunication with the purchase, but nothing on Chewy. Just the treats are a little hard for her to chew. Sorry, Arya. She ran into the house. Good. So yeah, we're still just walking. Good job, Arya. Good girl. So we're just working on some more obedience on the leash. So yeah. So in case you're wondering, I am not pulling that hard. She's actually pulling the leash. I'm simply just giving her a tiny tug so she knows we're going this way. Come on, Arya, this way. Come on. So as you can see, she's not being hurt or anything. I do not agree with shock collars or prong collars, so she doesn't have any of those. We're using a harness, so it is less stress on the neck. So yes, we are pretty good at pet owners, I would say. Arya, I know some people that do use shock collars. There's actually people in my neighborhood that do. I don't really agree with it because the dog that they use it on like yelps whenever they use it, and I'm like, sounds like it's hurting the dog. So I really don't agree with it, but I don't say anything to them because it's their beliefs, not mine. So yeah, we're just taking her for a walk. I'll let you know when things get more interesting. We made it to our local park. It's like a park in our neighborhood, and she sits in the grass. I do not allow her to go really far in this grass for reasons that it takes a week for the stress to take effect, and so we do not want her to get any sickness from any dogs that have been in this. This is fake grass. This is turf, so I feel like it's a little more safer for her. She really loves going down the slide. We'll see if she'll do that on camera, and I'll see if I can catch her on camera. It's a little hard, like I said, because I'm carrying the camera, holding her leash, and holding her treats all at the same time. So, hi Arya, good girl. Arya, go on. Go on. Yay! Yay! We're making our way back home. Come on. Okay. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini dog walking vlog with my dog Arya. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And see you in this video. Bye.